Coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week. This weekend sees the finals of the Volleyball Pattaya Open 2025, with the finals on Saturday the 12th of April. The venue is the Gymnasium Youth Center Pattaya, located just off Soi Watboonkanchana. And celebrate Songkran across the city this week. Enjoy the Songkran Splash Family Party every day from the 11th till the 14th of April at the Kids Club at the Holiday Inn Hotel. Fun and games, workshops and art sessions, a DJ and prizes for the little ones. That's from 10:30 a.m. until 6 p.m. daily. Or celebrate Songkran the Traditional Way at Thai Thani Culture Village in Na Jomtien. For just 799 baht, you can enjoy entrance to the village, traditional Thai attire, the lively Songkran parade, an authentic Thai buffet and cultural show, as well as free workshops and a chance to win some great prizes. That's available daily from the 13th until the 15th of April. A busy week at the Central Mall this week as they have daily concerts in celebration of Songkran. Headlining the event during the water splashing days are Big Ass on the 18th and Silly Fools with Lebanon on the 19th. Central Marina will celebrate with a big water festival, free concerts featuring Paradox on the 18th and your boy TJ on the 19th, as well as a foam party and DJs from 12 noon until midnight. And if you fancy getting away from the madness, the Hookers Fishing Park has some special promotions for the month of April. Enjoy the 7 until 7 2-day package with a free overnight stay, or 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. 7-day fishing with complimentary overnight accommodation in their lakeside villa. That includes everything you need: rods, bait runners, fox alarms and swingers, and bait. You can reserve your stay now on hookerspattaya.com. And just a heads up, if you're looking for a dry spot on Pattaya Songkran Day, one for you chocolate lovers, treat yourself to something sweet this Easter with the all-you-can-eat chocolate-inspired desserts at the Brew and Bar located at the Holiday Inn Hotel on Pattaya Beach Road. Eat all you can for just 399 baht net for children under 12 and 499 baht for adults. That's on Saturday the 19th of April from 2 till 5 p.m. For more information on these events, visit our events page over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.